Hello, Trailblazers! Welcome back to another exciting journey in the Salesforce universe. Today, we're diving into the world of external services, where we'll register an external bank web service, define named credentials, and build a flow to automate our business process. Get ready for an adventure in innovation. Are you excited? Let's jump right in. Here are our objectives for today. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped with the skills to seamlessly integrate external services into your Salesforce environment. Let's embark on this learning adventure together. Before we dive into today's project, make sure you've completed the external services module. This will ensure you have a solid understanding of the fundamentals. Now let's get started. In our scenario, we're leveraging a REST-based bank API to enhance the banking experience within Salesforce. Our goal is to seamlessly track sales activity on bank accounts. Let's elevate our Salesforce capabilities and provide a personalized touch to our banking services. Ready to make it happen? In our business process, bank representatives should be able to add bank accounts directly within Salesforce, ensuring synchronization with the bank's back-end service. To automate this, we'll register the bank web service as an external service, making its API operations available in Flow Builder. Let's break down the flow into 5 crucial steps. From capturing account details to updating Salesforce user records, each stage plays a pivotal role in automating our process. Exciting, right? Let's explore each step in detail. Step 1 captures account details. Step 2 adds a bank account using external services. Step 3 checks if the bank account needs updating. Step 4 assigns the existing bank account ID if it exists. And Step 5 updates the Salesforce user record. Now let's dive into each stage and see how it contributes to our streamlined process. Security is paramount in our Salesforce adventure. In addition to a valid schema, we'll use named credentials to authenticate callouts to the bank service endpoints. The elements, including the URL and authentication parameters, are typically provided by the external web service provider. In the External Services module, we learned about valid API specs. Now we're adding security with named credentials. These credentials authenticate our callouts, ensuring a secure interaction between Salesforce and the external web service. Let's see how it's done. Trailblazers, you've taken a giant leap in mastering external services. We defined named credentials, added an external web service, and outlined the flow stages to automate our business process. From Setup, click on the Setup option. In the Quick Find, write Name Credentials. A new screen for credential placement will open. If you don't have any credentials, you can create them from the drop-down button options and click on New Library. Write down the level as desired. For example, bank. Provide your URL and click on Save. A new named credential will be created. From Setup, click on Setup button. In left sidebar, Quick Find for external services. Click on External Services. Click on Add an external service. Select an API source from API specification. My external service's name is Bank Service. If you want, you can add your description. Select a named credential. Now give the URL as account our schema. Schema will be automatically generated. Click Save and Next. Now select all operations, then click Next and Finish. Your external service will be created as Bank Service. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.